on performance practice on the range, we want to do our full routine. Now that means our pre-shot routine, everything that we do, walking into a dress, preparing for the shot, playing the shot. But I also want you to do the post-shot routine. If you hit a great shot, I want you to reinforce it. If you hit one that's good but not great, I want you to erase and replace. So let's say you hit the shot, and it was pretty good but not great. First, pick out what you liked about it. Well, it went on the line I wanted. It wasn't quite as high as I wanted, but it was pretty crisp. Then, erase that shot and replace it with the one you wished you'd made. Come in there as if there's a ball there. Oh, I got through that one a little better. And that's the key I'm going to use for my next practice swing. Get through the ball, and you'll continue to improve as you play. Practice that on the range as your performance practice, and then do it on the course, and you'll get better as you play when you erase and replace.